In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh a TradingView chart. Now, before we dive in, let's talk a bit about why refreshing your TradingView chart is so important. TradingView is an incredibly powerful tool used by traders around the globe to analyze real-time market data. Whether you are trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments, having up-to-date chart information is critical to making informed decisions. Over time, or due to data connectivity issues, your chart might not show the latest data. And that's where refreshing comes into play. This simple process ensures you're always looking at the most recent information available, helping you stay on top of market movements. Refreshing your chart on TradingView is remarkably easy and quick, but you might not even realize how to do it at first. Don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're using a Windows computer, all you need to do is press the Control key and the letter R at the same time. This is a keyboard shortcut that will refresh the chart almost instantly. It's like giving your chart a little nudge to wake it up and show you the latest market data. It's a handy trick to make sure you're not missing out on any important updates. If you're using a Mac, the process is just as easy. You use the Command key, which is the one with the symbol that looks like a four-leaf clover, or the word Command, often found on both sides of the spacebar. Simply hold down the Command key and then press R, just like you would on a Windows machine. And voila, your chart is refreshed. Sometimes, right after a refresh, you might notice that the chart needs a moment to load the latest data. This is normal, especially if the market has been particularly active, or if you have a lot of indicators or drawings on your chart. Just give it a second or two, and everything should be up to date. But remember, if you're experiencing persistent issues with real-time data or chart refreshing, it might be worth checking your internet connection or the settings in your TradingView account to make sure everything is configured correctly. Trading can be fast-paced, and the ability to quickly refresh your chart ensures you're making decisions based on the most accurate and up-to-date data. It's a small step, but can have a big impact on your trading success. And there you go, a straightforward, easy way to make sure you're never left behind on your TradingView chart. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more TradingView tips and tricks. Happy trading!